Alrighty, we are at 342 West Beechnut Place in Chandler, Arizona, located in the Ironwood subdivision down here in Sun Lakes. So let's take a look inside and see what we've got here. We'll come inside, we'll start with the den. Nicely built out. You've got some nice cabinets there that actually can go with the home. And we've got the first bathroom here, which has the newly installed stand-up tub. And then you've got your second bedroom here. And let's go out into the great room. Very large great room here. And this will lead us to the Arizona room. There's a lot of furniture in here, some of which is available for sale if anybody wants furniture for their home. And of course, all the furniture can stay here as well, if you would like. So let's go to the primary suite. Very large primary suite here. And we've got some updated fixtures in here and a very spacious walk-in closet with an island. And we'll go around to the kitchen. Kitchen's had lots of upgrades. Range top's been upgraded. It's got all beautiful stainless appliances. You've got your eat-in kitchen here. And of course you can have a formal dining in the Arizona room. Washer and dryer does convey. And you've even got a pull-out ironing board. So we've got roughly 2,400 square feet here, 2 bedrooms, a den, and this Arizona room, which has been added on, adding roughly 450 square feet. And we'll step out back, take a look at the lovely backyard, very spacious, nice corner lot here. Both of the sheds do convey with the property. And best of all, we have citrus. We have lemon trees, we have orange trees, we have grapefruit trees on this beautiful, spacious lot. So there we have it. Come on down. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 480-818-4315. Anthony Curlew, eXp Realty, and Group 4610.